Hi, my name is Lena Castelson. I am the sales lead for all of North America. Super excited to be here today.
Hey everyone, thank you for inviting me to join you all.
So, from a Microsoft partner perspective, as the AI capabilities grows, what kind of impact do you expect to see on their business models and delivery methods? And how would you advise them to make that transition?
I think with Microsoft partners, it's kind of similar, right? One of the things is Microsoft partners have to also become a little more technical in the AI space because just blindly saying we're going to do AI, we're not going to do AI, that just doesn't work because AI is every single product. I think we have 150 Microsoft products that have AI functionality in them, and that's going to be any product we release going forward as well. And any custom built things partners built themselves are probably going to have AI in them also. So,
Mhm.
first is to get deeper and say, I'm going to really understand what this AI thing is rather than blindly making an API call and feeling comfortable with that. So, one is scale yourself, deeply understand AI. Second one is go and look at those long running problems that your customers have had, the ones that we have not solved, and figure out what are the potential solutions that exist that might be able to solve those. And if not, what are the solutions that could exist? And start working closely with Microsoft, start working with yourselves, other partners, ISVs to start building those solutions. Because the point of AI is to accelerate innovation. That is legitly the point. So we can get through all of the things that we've not been able to solve and actually get to new innovation in this space. Because one of the things that I've realized is that we're still stuck in the same admin back office stuff that we've been doing for 25 years. And the fact that we have not been able to figure out how to move data from here to there in an easier way so we can actually do all the newfangled things, like, there's a problem right there. So for partners, get more technical, go figure out what are the problems that customers have not been able to solve. And third, build out your community and network of people because many of these solutions that we're going to build going forward need to come from a group of people. They're not going to be built by a solo hero. It's going to be some combination of partners, other partners, ISPs, and Microsoft.
Mhm. Yeah, and it's interesting how you say, the ISVs and Microsoft and the partners, and behind that is always the people, right? And what we're seeing is that traditional partners, the approach from other partners in the BC space to find, experienced talent. But with programs like the BC Talent, where we're focusing on building kind of like the next generation of talent, what skill sets do you think are needed in the channel to meet the AI transition over the next few years?
Okay, so first, we have a big upskilling problem just across the industry, just so you know. Every industry is now saying we want AI people. The number of people in the world who are AI people, okay, AI people, AI engineers, AI researchers, AI engineers, machine learning people is like that bubble is big, it's this big. And most normal companies are never going to be able to hire these people because there are not enough. There's just not. So what we have to do is grow that capability in others. We have to go and aggressively find people who are experts in a problem space, skill them up on AI, and drag them into the tech community. We've done this before, right? We went through this. We turned lots of accountants and finance people into BC consultants. We're gonna have to do that again. It's time to, get out that lasso and start corralling people. Um, we're having a moment where a lot of people, every day there's some report coming out that says 100% of white collar jobs will disappear next year, and we're like, I don't know about you, but we've never been so busy in our lives. So I don't know quite where they're getting their information from. Um, but one of the things we have to do is kind of reduce that fear by saying, if you are worried that your job will disappear next year, dear accountant, dear tax prep person, dear financial analyst, like whatever the job is that's supposed to disappear next year, let's get you skilled up on AI. Let's actually teach you this is generative AI. Here's how it works for your field. What does your data set, a sample data set, look like for a tax accountant? Let's use AI to reason over that and see where it's useful, where it's not useful. Because probably the most important thing they can be doing right now is creating their own workflow for here's a standard workflow. AI is good for step 1, step 3, and step 407. And here's a set of prompt libraries that I use to do those parts. If people can do that, they're now called, what is in my jurisdiction, called an AI power user. And once we build up a huge community of AI power users in each of these industries, then we've got a whole bunch of people who are ready to go and tackle the next generation set of problems that customers, they may have today, they're definitely going to have in the future. But we've got a big upskilling problem ahead of us, and we have to do it in a way that feels structured to people. So it's not, hey, go figure out AI on your own, which is what we're saying right now. We're saying, go figure out AI on your own, figure out how to do it in your job. So we need a lot more structure around it, and we need people who are willing to raise their hands and sign up to go and do that. So the most important thing all of you should be doing is going to the BC Talent page and clicking on Learn More, because we really want more people to come and join the BC community, because we want you to come and first have a role in the AI verse. Make my job easier, folks, because the number of people reach out to me saying, we're looking for AI people. I have 5 partners right now in my inbox saying, we need to hire AI people, bring us some AI people. I'm saying, my friends, I do not grow them on trees, okay? I'm trying to steal from your various communities and grow them ourselves in a lab. But what we need you to do is go to the BC Talent page, learn more, and come and join us.